What if I told you that you could start making money online today using just free AI tools with no experience, no camera, and no budget? In this video, I'll walk you through 5 powerful tools that are completely free and show you exactly how people are using them right now to build faceless YouTube channels, sell services, and even create passive income. At number 1, we've got ChatGPT. It's not just a chatbot, it's a full content engine. Here's how people are monetizing it right now. Writing blog posts and selling them on Medium or as freelance gigs, creating YouTube scripts and automating entire channels, designing ebooks and digital products to sell on Gumroad. For example, someone used ChatGPT to write 50 motivational quotes, turned them into a PDF with Canva, and now sells it for $5 per download. It took 20 minutes to create. Automation tip. Use ChatGPT to generate listicle content like 10 ways to, and pair it with AI voiceover and stock footage for a full video in under 1 hour.
2. Google Veo, the future of video creation. Next is Veo by Google. This is next-level AI. It lets you generate full cinematic video just by typing a prompt. People are already using it to make B-roll for faceless YouTube videos, create TikToks without ever filming, sell video content on Fiverr or Upwork. Example, type a Lego Batman walking dramatically through Arkham Asylum. Boom, it gives you a video. Add voiceover and music, and you've got a short that could go viral. Pro tip, combine Veo with ChatGPT and 11 Labs to create entire video series on autopilot.
Third up, Pictory. This tool turns written scripts into full YouTube videos with voiceover, stock footage, and captions, all automated. Use it for YouTube automation channels like top 10s, how-tos, and motivation. Shorts and reels made from blog content. Local business promos for freelance clients. There are channels making over $1,000 a month with daily Pictory uploads using AI scripts and zero editing skills. Quick setup. Paste your ChatGPT script, choose visuals, choose voice, and publish. That's it.
4. 11 Labs, realistic AI voiceovers. Fourth is 11 Labs, the best AI voice generator available today. It sounds shockingly real, like this example. Add narration to videos for YouTube, TikTok, or Reels. Sell voiceovers on Fiverr or freelance platforms. Clone your own voice for brand consistency with the Pro plan. Many creators use 11 Labs to make entire educational or storytelling channels without ever recording a word themselves. Hack: use multiple voices for characters like a deep Batman narrator or friendly tutorial guide for better engagement. 5. Canva AI, design plus content in one. And finally, Canva AI. It's more than just a design tool now. It has magic media, text-to-video, image generation, and more. Use it to make thumbnails that actually get clicks, design print-on-demand merch, auto-generate social posts and carousels, combo play, use magic, write to generate 10 social media quotes from a ChatGPT article, turn them into carousel posts, and post with scheduling tools. Passive brand building.
Monetization ideas. Let's talk income. Here's how you can monetize these tools fast. 1. YouTube automation using ChatGPT, Pictory, and 11 Labs. 2. Freelancing. Offer services on Fiverr or Upwork. 3. Digital products. Sell ebooks, prompts, or templates on Etsy or Gumroad. 4. Short-form content. Make TikToks with Veo and Canva AI and grow affiliate links or a following. Even if you're a complete beginner, you can start testing ideas in a day.
The tools are free, the strategy is proven, and the only thing missing is your execution. Start with one tool. Create something today. You never know. One video, one ebook, one post could change your income forever. If this helped you, subscribe for more AI money-making ideas and drop a comment. Which tool will you try first?